Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to configure the after submission message to make sure your new customer gets a smooth experience. But before we jump in, let's take a quick look at the big picture. Running a fully functioning registration form is a simple 5-step process. First, we draft the form content, which is adding all the specific questions and fields you want to ask. Second, we change the form appearance so it matches your brand's look and feel. Third, we configure email alerts so you get notified from a new buyer. Fourth, we set a submission message to thank them for applying. And finally, we publish the form directly to your storefront. In this video, we are going to focus on step number 4. So let's get started. First, we are in the email alerts section of the form builder and click right on that After Submission tab. This is where we get to control exactly what your customer sees right after they hit submit. Next up, take a look at the After Submission Type section. You'll see two choices here, Message and Popup. What's the difference? Well, if you choose Message, the registration form simply disappears from the web page and is completely replaced by your success text. But if you choose Popup, it will create your success message displaying in a nice box right in the center of the screen, while the original form stays visible but slightly dimmed out in the background. Then we're going to make it match your brand. Click on the Success icon dropdown over on the left sidebar. Click on that color swatch to open the color picker and grab a nice bright color, like a vibrant green for your checkmark icon, for example. Moving down, open up the heading section. You can totally leave the default "Thank you for registering" text as is, but go ahead and play around with the heading size slider. Make it a bit larger or smaller until it looks perfectly balanced in your live preview panel on the right. Next, expand the paragraph section. Here's where you can type out any extra instructions, like reminding them to check out your wholesale guidelines while they wait. Right above the text editor, grab the content size slider. Click and drag it to scale the text up or down until it matches your heading beautifully. After you've got the text looking good, click on the button element in the left-hand menu. This opens the settings for your Continue Shopping Call to Action button. You could change the text or the link here if you wanted to, but for this basic setup, just review the options and leave them exactly as their defaults. Do you want to give them a direct link to a specific page? That's so easy. Click that Add Element button and choose HTML from the menu. An HTML code box will pop up like you see on the screen. Just type in standard HTML and it will create a clickable link right beneath your main message. Now scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Approval Mode settings. We absolutely want to select Manual Approval. This is a very important step for wholesale stores. When you use this mode, whenever a customer submits a form, their account is safely locked in a pending status. They can't log in or see your special B2B pricing yet. An administrator has to actively review their application and click Approve first. It gives you total control over who gets into your store. After that, finding the Notify if Pending More Than option. It defaults to 24 hours, but let's change it to 1 hour. This just tells the system to ping you if an application has been sitting unreviewed for too long. Right above that, you'll see the Auto Approve option. If you were to turn this on, a customer's account would be instantly active the second they hit Submit. So we don't want to enable this option, so let's make sure you switch right back to manual approval to keep everything locked down. Finally, go to the top right corner and click the Save button. And there you have it. We will come back to the last video of how to display this registration form in your store. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.